Okay guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to create an e-commerce website where you can sell your products, where your customer can go and make order on your products. Like they can just go to your website and select the product they want and make order. They can pay with their card or make the transfer, or they can also pay on delivery, depend on the payment method you are trying to achieve. So the first step is to install our theme, which we are going to be using Astra for this purpose. Let's go to appearance, which is appearance, click on theme, then this is Astra. And if you don't find Astra when you get here, just click on add new. When you get to add new, search for Astra here, so it's going to come up here, then click on install and activate. So we just activate the Astra. The next option is to go and select our template, which is going to be an e-commerce template. So we are just click on activate. So after you click on activate, the website is going to bring you, it's going to redirect you here. And if you can remember our last video, so just click on build. We are going to select Elementor like the last video, and now we are trying to create an e-commerce website, not a blog this time around. So we are going here and click online store. Anyone, you can just select what you are trying to create. You are selling jewelry or sports, bookstore or clothing, or you can just select online store. So if you check your online store, and you can just preview the website, the template you are trying to use before you can even select the theme. Okay, let's preview this one here. Okay, let's find our template, the template we are trying to use to create our online store, which let's select maybe online clothing store, just to find something we like. Okay, let's select this organic store. Okay, this organic store, this makes sense. This is the product, the name of the product, the price. We can add everything like this. So let's say we like this template, we can just select this one and edit it, change the image, the name and the text, everything on this website. So let's skip and continue. And if you want to change our color brand, let's change it to this and continue, submit and build my website. Let's wait for this one to load to 100% while our website is building. Okay, now our website is done. We can just preview the website now to see if everything is working fine. Okay, good, everything is working fine now. So we just install the template. This is just the template. This is not all this image and the product on this website is not our product. We can import and add our own products. So to do that, let's go to our dashboard by going back to our dashboard. Okay, now when we get to the dashboard, you see this WooCommerce plugin has already installed. If you are using another theme that is not, let's say it's not an e-commerce like Astra, now you have to install that theme and go to plugin and install WooCommerce. Okay, let's say this WooCommerce plugin is meant for online store. This plugin will allow you to add the products, edit products, and add the price and the description of the product, and also allow you to collect payment on your website. So the WooCommerce plugin is mainly meant for online store to sell product on website. So if you are building anything related to selling or something, you have to install the WooCommerce. This how to install it if the plugin does not come with the theme, just in case you are using another theme which is not Astra or the theme, so the theme does not come with this plugin. You just have to go to plugin and add new, and yeah, you can search for WooCommerce. You can just easily search for WooCommerce here. So instead of it showing active now, it's going to show install. You just click install and activate. So the theme is going to install. Now this is how we are going to add products on our website. You see this product, click on add new. Okay, now after you click on add new, it's going to show like this. So now let's name our product. Let's say we are selling clothes, female clothes. You can just the name of the product. You can add the description here. This is test. So you can add a description like explaining what you are selling just in a short word. If you scroll down here, you can select the price, a regular price and the sales price. Let's say you are trying to make it like you are doing promo. If you had 20,000 here, and you can add 10,000 here. So it's going to slash this. It's going to cross the that you are selling at 10,000 and the product is 20,000. You are just trying to sell it for 10,000 naira. That's where you can add the price of your product, and also you can add short description here, and here you can upload your product image. I'm going to use one of my product image here. Okay, sorry, there's error with this. Just go inside, let's select one of the image here. So after that, you just select the image you are trying to use for your product image and click on select product image. So now let's save it. Oh sorry, you can categorize the product here. Let's say you are selling female shoe, male clothes, everything like that. You can just add it. Maybe you are selling the product you are trying to sell is juice, so we can just select this and update it like this. So we just added that product to our store. Now if we go to our shop on this website, let's go to all products. As you can see, this is the product we just added, and all this one is the one that come with the template. This is the product we just added, and all this product we can delete all these products by going to all products, because all the products that are imported with the theme, most of them we don't need that product. We can just delete it or edit it. If you want to edit it, you can click here, or you can just trash them. Let's say you want to delete all this, just deselect everything like this. You are trying to delete all this, you select all this, click here, move to trash and apply. All this product is going to be removed from our website. So now next option is, if the customer comes to our website like this and they click on our product, it's going to take them to the product page where it's going to show them the name, the description of this product, and they can add to cart and few carts, and they can check out here. But we are here to add our payment method, the way we want to be collect the payment. Okay, now I believe you have already know how to add and delete the product. So the next option now is to add our payment, to configure our website to be collecting payment. So we are going here to WooCommerce and go to settings. Okay, when you get to settings here, you have to fill all this little information. Let's fill this address, your business address, everything like that. Sending location, you are sending to all location or to a specific country. You can just select the country here. Let's say you are sending to only Nigeria, so we can select Nigeria. Shipping location, do you ship to all country or specific location only? You are only shipping to Nigeria only, so we select Nigeria here. Default customer location, no, we are sending to Nigeria only, so you just Nigeria, just select this like this. Okay, now the currency we are sending to Nigeria, so we are not going to be using US dollar, we are going to be using naira. Just click here and search for naira here. This is the Nigerian naira. So this how click on save changes. Okay, now let's go to the payments. Okay, now this is our payment method. We have many different ways to collect payment on our website. The first one is cash on delivery. So if you enable this, when customer get to our checkout page, they can select to pay on delivery, or we can select direct bank transfer, where we are going to add our our bank account. So and the WooCommerce, we can also add check, and we can also add paystack. If you know what paystack is, paystack is a payment gateway where we can add to our website in order for our customer to buy directly on our website by just entering their card, their ATM card, and the paystack is going to charge them and credit us the amount they pay on our website. So for now, we are not going to do that. We are going to be focusing on direct bank transfer and cash on delivery. So we can just click on here to set up the direct bank transfer. So this direct bank transfer here, and instruction, you can give them instruction like you are going to confirm the order after you receive alert on your account, everything like that. You can put it here. This here, you can enter your account number, account name rather, account number, bank name, routing number. So you don't need all this routing, IBAN, just account name, account number, bank number, and click on save. So after you save, we just successfully added bank transfer to our payment. Let's go back to payments like this. So let's just save. Okay, now let us view our website as a visitor now by going to incognito. So this is how our customer is going to be seeing our website if they go to our website. So let's check. Okay, when they get to our website like this, maybe this is the product they want to buy, they select on it. After they go through, like they like the product, you just add to cart. They can add many products to cart. They can just go back and add another product to cart and click on few carts to check out everything together. So proceed to checkout. So now this is where they will enter their name and company name. That's optional, you don't need to enter that. Select their country, address where you are going to deliver the product, the state, and email address. And if they have maybe a custom order or personal notes, they can just add it here. And you can see that we set up direct bank transfer and also cash on delivery. So direct bank transfer, so you can just place, if you place order now, it's going to direct them to it's going to direct them to where they can enter. Okay, let me just fill this thing up so I can show you how this is going to work. Let's see on place order. Oh shit. So after you receive payments, after you receive their payments, you can just confirm their order and ship out their order. And if they select pay on delivery, you just get the order. You can just call them to confirm that you place order, and when they confirm that, you can just ship order, you can just ship it out. So that's how this works. So if you have any question, I don't want to make this video more than 15 minutes, so if you have any question, just let me know.